So this is a standard remote control for a television. It transmits infrared. It's not a radio transmitter, but infrared. Basically, infrared light comes out of here and then controls the TV. So what's gone wrong with this particular remote control is that these buttons here are not working very well. They are intermittently working, and that's not very good. So what I'm going to do is take it apart and go from there. So first of all, there are several clips along here that holds this together. So we're going to very carefully prise it apart. Now I have helped this earlier, but if you just put it in between this case in here and this one, you should be able to pull it apart. Now if you can't do it, if it doesn't work very well, you can always get a knife and put the thin part in and you can prise it apart. Take your time, you can wiggle it around, so eventually you can, as you heard, it unclipped. There are some, there you go. Obviously I'm going to, so if you keep going around, do the other side. Now you can just very carefully pull it around and you can see where it's held in place. Here it is here. Now what I'm going to do first of all is two things. I'm going to clean this section up and I'm going to clean this section up. So what I'm going to use, I've got some, let me show you here, it's some, I'm just going to just put the top back on and then we're just going to rub this here. One is to make sure they're clean. If you look carefully, make sure there's nothing left behind. Just going to dry it off. This part here should be dry, which it is, and then you can simply clip it together. Put it back together. That's it. Make sure all the buttons are up, not being pushed down, which they're not. Now on this one I didn't take the batteries out, but if you want to go further into the repair, you can take the battery out and completely strip it down. If you want to give it a complete clean, you can use any form of detergent, should be okay, and lukewarm water, and you can then clean it to make it look like new. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe.